Welcome back, everyone. Hope everyone's day is good. In this video, I am going to be talking about how to make print-on-demand merchandise through Printful using your own designs to sell on your Etsy store. Before we go any further, I am not sponsored by Etsy or Printful. They are just who I use to design and sell custom products. The time lapse you are viewing is a custom design I got asked to do for a Navy veteran. I used Photoshop and Illustrator. You need to have Illustrator to save your design as a vector file, or you won't be able to upload your design to Printful to create the mock-up for your Etsy store. I have had a few shirts I have ordered from Printful as test designs, and I am very satisfied with the print quality. I use Printful because they do DTG printing. That stands for direct to garment printing. It's the main reason I like them. A lot of my artwork and designs contain a lot of detail and colors, which can be very complicated to print correctly when using the screen printing method. After I have uploaded the design in Printful, it gets added to my Etsy store. You have to link your Etsy to your Printful account for this to sync properly. Then I go into my listings in Etsy, go to the drafts and check the new design, then click the publish tab, then boom, your new design is on your store. You can then go to the listing and change whatever you need to, like add or change tags or shipping charges and so forth. I use Etsy over the other selling sites because it's free. All you pay is when you list your items, which is, I believe, 20 cents per listing, and it's listed for like 3 or 4 months. Also, now you can pay to promote your products on Etsy to customers and also Google Shopping. In the next video, I'm going to do an on-screen step-by-step of me uploading this design to Printful and publishing the listing in Etsy. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, remember to hit the like button and the subscribe button. Have a great day, and bye-bye.